How to choose a paintbrush. Yes, you could just use your fingers, but selecting the best brushes for your painting might achieve a slightly more grown-up result. You will need an art supply store. Step 1. Decide if you want a synthetic or natural fiber brush. When starting out, go with a less expensive synthetic. Save natural fiber for when you're more experienced. Step 2. Decide what medium you'll be working in. If you're painting in acrylics or oils, start with synthetic brushes because these paints are harder to clean out of the brush. Step 3. Familiarize yourself with the 8 main types of brushes: round, flat, bright, filbert, fan, angle, mop, and rigger. A round brush has closely arranged bristles for detail. A flat brush has a flat end for quickly moving paint around. A bright brush is flat but with shorter, stiffer bristles. A filbert brush has domed ends. A fan brush looks like a fan for blending paints. An angled brush is a general detail brush. A mop brush has a large rounded edge for broad, soft paint application. And a rigger is a round brush with long hairs for detail work. Step 4. Pick a brush and hold it in your fist, bristles up. Run your thumb across the top of the bristles, which should be firm with a nice stiff spring. After rubbing, the whole brush should take its original shape and no bristles should fall out. Step 5. Choose 2 workhorse brushes, a flat and a filbert, as your main brushes. Choose the brush size depending on the size of your work. A size 6 is a good middle ground to start. Step 6. Choose 2 more flats and 2 more filberts, one of each size smaller and larger than the size you already have. Step 7. Select any other special brushes you think you'll need based on your project. This should be all you need to begin, so grab a canvas and start experimenting. Did you know? Some of the best brushes use the hair of animals, the best being sable brushes from the tail of a sable martin.